okay. So if you need to replace your shifter boot or any linkages in here, all you need to do is lift up that and you lightly pull up. Mine's already unclipped. Well, maybe. You lightly pull up and that clip will come undone and you can sort of feed your way across. And there's one there. And then you can do the same on the other side. And then, with this shut, if you angle it like that, it will just come straight out. Because that's under there. And while that's out, you can get it all in here and clean it out. And all around and here, so yeah.